You know your salary to the dollar. But ask what you're worth, and it's 5 app logins and a guess. This is the Net Worth and Wealth Command Center, a spreadsheet with one ritual. Once a month, you type 6 balances. 10 minutes. The sheet computes your net worth, your slope, your milestones, and the date the math says financial independence lands. Meet Jordan, the sample saver who ships inside this file, shown honestly as sample data. 14 monthly snapshots. Every number in this video comes from that real, recalculated workbook. Jordan's number today, $87,432, up $2,114 this month. And notice what's missing, bank logins. There are none, on purpose. Typing the balances is the ritual that makes you look, and looking is the whole game. The Wealth Dashboard answers 3 questions at once. What do you have? 95,100 owned, 7,668 owed. The sheet nets it out and flags which assets actually count toward independence. 81,090. Where's it going? A 12-month slope of plus 2,026 a month, measured from your real rows. The climb, drawn, only up. And when could you stop? There it is in copper. The math says FI lands September 2042. Not a mood. A computation, 194 months of compounding from today, rerun every time you add a row. The monthly snapshot is the engine. 1 row per month. Cash, investments, retirement, vehicle, debts, 6 balances, typed once. First Saturday, coffee in hand. The sheet does the rest. Assets, net worth, and the month's change. Jordan's July row, 87,432, up 2,114, 13 of 13 months up. The ledger holds 24 months, 2 years of your life in one table. Miss a month? Nothing breaks. The slope just adjusts. And the trend tab draws what the table knows. 14 bars, oldest to newest, 61,050 to 87,432. Best month, plus 2270. Every bar is a real snapshot row, and the slope this line is drawing, plus 2,026 a month, is the number the rest of the file runs on. The FIRE calculator turns 4 inputs into a date. A year of your life costs $30,000. At a 4% withdrawal rate, your FIRE number is 25 times that, $750,000. Jordan invests $1,400 a month and assumes 7% growth. The math, NPER, the same formula banks use for loans, pointed at your freedom, answers 194 months of compounding. FI lands September 2042. Then the honest extras. The $100 lever, add 100 a month, and the date moves 6 months closer. You can feel the dial. Lean FI, 525,000. Fat FI, 1.125 million. And Coast FI, 92,404. Reach it, and 7% growth alone finishes the job in 30. Milestones, 10K to $1 million, badges that earn themselves. Jordan holds 4, 10K, the quarter of 100K, 50K, 75. Next up, 6 figures, 12,568 away. And because the sheet knows your slope, it doesn't just say locked. It says, about 7 months at your pace, February 2027. No resets, ever. A rough month is data, not a verdict. 2 more tabs keep it honest. Goals. Name an amount and a date. 100,000 by March 2027. And the sheet computes the required pace, $17.95 a month, against your real slope, 2026. Verdict, printed in green, on track. And the debt ladder runs avalanche math, highest rate first. The credit card at 22.9%, 7 months to gone, around February 2027. The car loan waits on minimums, by design. 1 honest minute under the hood. This file runs 372 formulas. Before filming, the workbook was recalculated clean, 0 formula errors, and passed 30 out of 30 independent math checks. Every screen in this video is that real file. Projections use steady returns, a compass, not a contract, and the file says so right on the tab. One workbook, Excel, and Google Sheets. So here's the invitation. This Saturday, type 6 balances. Your first snapshot takes about 10 minutes. By the third row, you'll have a slope, and the sheet will hand you your date. The Net Worth and Wealth Command Center is $14.97, one time, 10 connected tabs, the fire math included, free lifetime updates. Find it on Etsy. The link is in the description. Rich is a feeling. Wealth is a number.